A chemist has two solutions. One is 13% salt and the other is 21% salt. How much of each solution should be mixed to make 100 milliliters of a solution that is 18% salt? I constructed a table to handle mixture problems so that we can organize our information. The first column will label the 13% solution, the second the 21% solution, and the third the 18% solution. Now let's fill in the information boxes. The amount of solution in the 13% solution is unknown, so we'll call that X. Since there was a total of 100 milliliters being combined together, we'll call the 21% solution 100 minus X. And we wanted to make 100 milliliters of the 18% salt solution, so the amount of solution for the 18% bottle is 100 milliliters. Fill in the percentage of salt, the first being 0.13, the second 0.21, and the third 0.18. To figure out the amount of salt, we multiply the amount of solution times the percentage of salt. So in this case, the first column, 0.13 times X. The second, 0.21 times 100 minus X. And finally, the last, 0.18 times 100. Combining the first two solutions should equal the third. So that implies that the amount of salt from the first solution plus the amount of salt from the second solution should equal the amount of salt from the third. Setting this up algebraically, 0.13x plus 0.21 times 100 minus x equals 0.18 times 100. Let's multiply this out. 0.13x plus 21 when we multiply 0.21 times 100 minus 0.21x equals 18. Combining the like terms, negative 0.08x plus 21 equals 18. Subtracting 21 from both sides of the equation, negative 0.08x equals negative 3. And finally, let's divide both sides by negative 0.08. When we divide both sides by negative 0.8, we end up with x equals 37.5. X represents the amount of solution that came from the 13% solution. Let's find out how much came from the 21% solution. That was given by the formula 100 minus x. So in this case, 100 minus 37.5 equals 62.5. So in the 13% solution, you needed to use 37.5 milliliters, while the 21% salt solution, you needed to use 62.5 milliliters.